title, so you would have known what I am going to explore today. And it has located in Airoli Sector 3, opposite to Airoli Station, and exactly at the opposite of Airoli railway station. And it has been 6 years they have completed, and this is one of the icon food, I will say. And the name of that food is Narayan Bhel Center and Alya Nagrachi Sweet Prasid Bhel. So in past I have tried a couple of times, and I will tell you this is something unique about their food. And why they are famous? Because they add that sprouts, so it makes something special. And they have different kind of like bhakri and some different snacks, I can see from their card. So they have loaded lot of snacks like chips, kurmura, we can say. And so that bhaiya, I asked him how many years you have completed. So he told me he was just working in that shop. It has been 2 years, and it is street food. Again, it is a street food, and that owner, he is not here, but the workers are here, and the workers are very, very good. And I have seen a lot of crowd was filled, and so more information I will tell you later. First, let's explore that their what do you call charpai. So I'm going to give my order, and that will be Gilla Bhel, and which is we call in English that wet bhel. And I'm standing here. I came here at 7, and now it's 7:30. Still crowd is coming, and the bhaiya is telling to me, madam, what should I do? A lot of people are coming, so I thought it's okay. First, let them give their food, because they are very important. I come to only for recording and all, so it's okay if I will be late. I don't want to interrupt anyone's business. So like right now the crowd is less. You can see behind me. So crowd is less. So let's see when my turn will come and when I will going to eat, because after seeing everyone's plates, my mouth is getting watery. My mouth is watering, really. So let's see when he will give me. So as you can see, a lot of crowd is there, and that two bhaiya, that one, and this blue in color, he wore that blue color t-shirt. So one is cutting and one is serving. So people are eating actually. A lot of people were here, like this all were packed. So right now no one is very less crowd is there. And the timing is when they open their Charpai Food Center, it's 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. So if you want to eat spicy and sweet bhel, so you should come here. So I will explore more and more. You will going to see more in this video. So stay tuned. at this. Oh my gosh. I haven't taken any bite. And he added coffee rice and coffee rice tomato, that Dadia namkeen we call it, like 6 types of that snacks were there, and peanuts we can say, and others were there, in that packet foods, in that packet wrappers, different kind of snacks come. So that one is he added, and the sweet chutney. I told him I want to eat sweet one. I know, because I don't want to eat that spicy one because it's a winter. Sorry, it's a summer. Otherwise, it will going to give me problem. And he added onion, coriander, tomato, and that red chili powder, and some of their secret masala. So let's take first bite. Here it goes. So this is the first bite. I'm excited to try this. It's not saggy because you have to eat immediately. If you will wait for so many times, so it will going to be saggy, and it's sweet, and in between that spiciness, that taste is coming, and it's flavorful. Yeah, one more thing he added, that raw mango, so it's saltness also, and that crunchiness is coming, that peanut he added. Earlier I told you that peanut he has added. So because of that, and yeah, that sprouts I forgot. He added that sprouts also, the famous, this bale is famous for sprouts. No? So this is quite healthy bale, I would say. Like, I haven't had this kind of bale. Like normal bale I had previously. That's why I thought I will share with you guys. You will also like, why not? Because healthy, who doesn't like to eat healthy food, and it's quite good. And still that crowd is there. I convinced them to please now give me, because I have waited for a couple of, I think 2 hours I have waited there, because a lot of crowd was there. Then I don't want to disturb them. So here I'm enjoying my food, my snacks. It's good. And the price of this meal is only 30 rupees. Means it's not that much of expensive, it's cheap. You can eat. Still it is not saggy. It's delicious. And the quantity is huge. So you can, like, one person can eat this. And their stomach also gets very full. Actually, they don't have any place to eat. So where I should eat? While I'm eating, you can see. And I guess he forgot to add that sprouts. I don't know. I think he forgot. Maybe a lot of crowd was there, so he was getting afraid. He should not come in the room, because from his mouth, from his face, I can understand. He was getting afraid. Like a lot of things I did not know. I told him, tell me. but still he was, afraid. So I can't force someone. No, you have to speak. You have to speak. So whatever I know, I'm telling it to you. And it is quite really good actually. I'm liking this food, this snack actually. And massive crowd in Airoli station. Because that Mindspace is there from that side, that's why. Because here I saw a lot of office worker came to it. Whatever it is, the food was good actually. The snack was good. Actually. Like stomach filling food is there. Like before that I was not trying that Gilla Beer, but when I had here, then I started to take that wet beer. See? Almost I finished. Masito. And really no one is here. Like how I'm handling my camera, it's a bit of difficult really. Actually there is no any sitting arrangement. So let me this will have a problem for you. You have to eat by standing. And for YouTube, going to be very difficult to record their video. Till now, the veil is not saggy. And I have finished. And it's quite good actually. They give in that paper, like that veil should not fall down. Food is something God has made. Very nice. Like when I'm having some food, I feel like how means the taste. Oh my gosh, the taste is really it's different. And thank God today I tied my hair because I don't want to miss. I don't want to, keep my hair in my food. That's why today I thought, in any situation, forget about my fashion, I'm going to tie my hair. And I like this center that gave, and that was really delicious, flavorful, fresh, and something yummy I can say. Most of Indian definitely going to like this snacks. So if you are coming here, do visit to this shop and support street food. It's very important. We should show them some kind to them. Be kind to this kind of people, really. And that whatever that their worker, they were really very simple. people, like I think they are maybe 10th or 10th or 12th passed out, or maybe they haven't completed their education. But you can see their age is very small, like they are looking very younger one. So support street food. That will be help you. That will be help us. And I will also support. Very well. Like I don't go in that restaurant and hotel. Already they are big. They are giant. But we should support that street foods. And the taste is actually I have seen that in on street food. The taste are really different from whatever we are having in restaurant. The food quality is zero. The food taste